Good morning, 4th grade. Miss Smith and I are both very sorry that we have to be out again. Let's get started with our lesson by writing our title. Our title is Dividing as Sharing. Remainders and what to do with them. Okay. So we have been discussing that division is sharing equally. When we have an amount left over, it is the remainder. It is the amount that we have left and cannot be divided equally among with the divisor. So let's think about what if we have, let's say we have 76 magazines and we need to put them into 5 boxes. So we are going to take 76 and divide it by 5. So I can show this with a model. And we're going to have to divide this into 5 equal groups. So I can put 10 in each group equally. Can I divide these other 10 into the 5 groups? I'm going to have to make an exchange. And then I can pass them out equally. Make another exchange. And I have 1 remaining. So our answer is what 1 person would get. And so our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 with a remainder of 1. We have 1 left over. So what we would do to write that down, we could draw that picture out, and that each group got 15. with 1 remaining. That is written 15, remainder 1. All right, make sure you copy that down. If we have 56 marbles and need to put them into 3 bags, we're also going to want to do this equally. We can show that we have our 3 bags of marbles. We're not going to get any larger than that. With our 56, we know that there are some 10s we could pass out, and each group could get a 10. So we have passed out 30 marbles. How many marbles will we have left? Now I will have 26 marbles left. 26 is close to 24, and 24 divided by 3 would be 8, using our fact families for multiplication. So I'm going to hand out 8 marbles to each sack. So then I would have 2 left over. We would write this answer as 18, remainder 2. Traditionally, with that remainder, to figure out what to do with the remainder, we are going to have to look at the questions that go with our problem. We traditionally do 3 things with remainders. We either drop them, round them, or it is the answer to the question. So let's say we have an example with the marbles and the bags. The first question I could ask is, how many bags of marbles are full? Our answer would be 3. If I want to know how many are full, I would drop the remainder. To round the remainder, I need to know how many bags of marbles do I need? We have 3 full bags, and we would have 1 partial bag to put this other 2 marbles in. So I would have to have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of marbles. I don't want to leave any out. My question for it as the answer would be, how many marbles are left over? My answer would be 2. So depending on what the question is asking, depends on what we are going to do with the remainder. So pay very close attention to what your question is asking you. Let's do a few more examples. If I have 7 baseball cards, and I need to put them 3 cards on a page. Let's think about what that means. Got my 7 baseball cards. I'm going to put 3 cards on each page. So I can make 1 page, I can make 2 pages, and I have 1 left over. So my answer is 2, remainder 1. How many pages can I complete? So here I'm wanting a complete set or a full set. How many complete sets did I have? So my answer is going to be 2 complete pages. If I have 11 football cards and can put 4 cards on each page, I had 7, let's make it 11. All right, so if I have 11, I have 4 cards on one page, 4 cards on another page, and 3 cards left over. So I have 2, remainder 3. How many cards are on the 3rd page? So here we are looking for how many are on the 3rd page. So we are specifically looking for the answer, the remainder as the answer. So I would have 3 cards on that last page. If I have 34 stickers, 5 stickers on each page, five is close to 35, but that's too big, so let's go to 6. My answer would be 6, remainder of 4. How many pages will have some stickers? We have 6 pages that have that are full of stickers and 4 on another page. So on this answer, we must round it. So we're going to not have 6 anymore. We're going to have 7 because all 7 pages have some stickers on them. So we had a drop, we had it is the answer, and we had a round it. Okay. If you will, please turn in your book and tear out page 389 and page 417. I'll give you a second to get that done. On page 389, you are going to complete your odd problems for homework. And on page 417, you are going to do your even problems for homework. These assignments will be due tomorrow. We'll see you then.